Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, and thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of product reviews. I make travel vlogs. I make almost everything, so you will have something that you will definitely enjoy. So please subscribe to my channel. And in today's video I am going to be talking about this famous product right here from Pond's. I don't think there is any human that has not tried this particular product, because this is an OG and everybody's vanity used to have this one. So let's dive right into a review of this in 2025. So yes, let's get started. So guys, the product that I'm talking to you is this particular one. This is Pond's Bright Beauty with Neosorcinol, and the brand claims that this is a spot repair formula and it's a light cream with UV filter. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, very reminiscent of how the packaging used to be back in the day. Now this is a 50-gram tub that I have priced at 345 rupees, and I'm sure in sales and in discounts you might get it for cheap. What's good about this particular product is that it's available in pharmacies, in your local supermarkets, and pretty much on all e-commerce platforms. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. They have claimed that this is a new light texture. So back in the day when I had used this, I remember this being a very thick, heavy sort of texture, but when I used it this time around, I felt that this was a very lightweight texture. So I will give credit where credit is due. I have to talk about the claims, which you guys can obviously read it on their website, or on the product description, but let me just still reiterate what the claims are. So they say that miracles happen, which I feel is the tagline of this particular product. Now they have mentioned that this is a new and improved Pond's Bright Beauty light cream with UV filter. Now this is crafted with Pond's Skin Institute's best brightening technology. So they have included something called as neosorcinol, which is nothing but niacinamide. But this neosorcinol is patented from Pond's, is what I think. And it says that it fades stubborn dark spots to unveil ultimate bright skin. They also claim that this particular product is clinically proven and dermatologically tested. They have mentioned that neosorcinol is a combination of niacinamide and resorcinol. They say that it spreads easily and gets absorbed quickly and visibly brightens skin in 7 days. So these are all of the claims, and let me now just go to the ingredients, because that's where everything goes downhill. But in this case, first ingredient as water, which is good. The second ingredient as niacinamide. I'm surprised and I'm really pleasantly happy about that. So then they have mentioned a bunch of dimethicone, which is really basically silicone, and dimethiconol, again a base type of silicone. Nothing that should fancy my eye. Yeah, that is also. I'm really happy ki top ingredient list mein niacinamide is there. Usually when brands like Pond's and Garnier and Himalaya claim that they have niacinamide, it is usually found in the bottom pile of the ingredient list, but surprisingly that's not the case. It's on the top list, so I'm assuming there is a good bit of quantity of niacinamide in it, which is really good. So I'm really happy about that. Now let's come to the inner packaging. They have definitely improved the inner packaging. It's quite a heavy chunky bottle, and it is very good weighted, which goes to say that it feels kind of they've given a luxury kind of a feel. And even the top cap, which used to be bright pink if I remember, now is like this very beautiful iridescent pink, because for some people packaging definitely matters. For me it doesn't. If the product performs, then that is all that matters. So now let me just show you the application of it, and then come to the pros and the cons and my final thoughts. So as you guys saw in the application, it is definitely a very light formula. Let me just put it on the back of my hand to show you. Yeah, it is a very light formula on the back of my hand. As you guys can see, it is taking quite some time to blend, and it was the same case on the face as well. It does take a minute or two to blend, but sometimes I don't know, you know, how or why, sometimes it feels like it is leaving a little bit of white cast on my face. There is not a lot of filters like UV filters like how they have claimed, and even if they are, I'm sure they are like pretty mild, so this cannot be used as a sunscreen alone. Yeah, it is just a value add maybe, but not so as well, because the filters that they claim are not that much there in the particular product. So you do need to apply sunscreen. Yes, after it just settles down, the white cast settles down, your face does feel very even, and it feels clean, I mean smoother, not cleaner. And I feel like that has to do with the fact that there is some sort of silicones as well, so that is why maybe the skin looks a little bit even. Now when there are a little bit of silicones, especially in the top 5 ingredients, it can clog pores because silicone tends to block the pores and give it a smooth finish. So it might, but so far I have not experienced any breakouts as such. And I had stopped using Pond's cream, but the nostalgia of it makes me want to use this cream over and over and over again, which is a good thing, right? Like, you know, if you're trying to reach out to the product which is not that great or not that bad either, but you still want to reach out to it, that says something. And I think that's the USP of this particular brand, that, you know, people remember it for the nostalgia purposes, and they use it. And even my mother was like, okay, you've got this product, give it to me, give it to me, because this was sent to me by the brand itself, and they just wanted a shorts video and they had nothing to do with the long form. So whatever I'm saying here on the long form content is my own personal opinion and what I think about the product itself. So that is what I feel like. And the other thing that I really don't like about this particular product is that there is a whiff of strong fragrance, that same typical strong fragrance which we've been smelling for like last 10-20 years. Ever since this product was made, the same smell continues to be in the product, which I feel like they should at this point make fragrance free. But you know, people also use this for that reminiscent Pond's smell or feel. And even me, I'm just, you know, gravitating towards this product only because of that nostalgia factor. So I don't know what needs to be done. But yes, if you are allergic to fragrances and it's something that you avoid, then maybe you will not like this product. Yeah, are there better creams out there in today's day and age? Of course, like there are 100 times better creams these days, but it all comes down to your preference. And if you have been using this for years and it's just worked out fine for you, then I don't see any reason for you to stop using this, and you can continue using it. And also the factor of that feel good factor of that, you know, using it back in the day when there were no creams and this was all we had. So yeah, for those reasons you definitely can continue using them. But yes, of course, there are better creams out there that you can definitely ponder on. It depends on you. I will definitely be using it, but more than me, I'm going to give it to my mom because she's been waiting on this particular product ever since I've received it. So yeah, it goes to her, but I can obviously use in her vanity as well. So this is all that I wanted to share with you guys. I have the moisturizer on my face, and I think it will definitely suit all skin types across the board, especially oily skin types, because this is a very lightweight formula. The first ingredient that they have mentioned is aqua, which is essentially a water-based product. So that means that, you know, your oily glands will take a chill pill using this, and it gives enough hydration as well. It's not greasy, it's just I can feel that my face is moisturized, and I have done my skincare. So that is the part that I really like. So yes, you guys, with that I will end this particular video. I hope I covered all the bases and I gave you a insight on this. I've seen a lot of people make video on this in Hindi, and with that I will end this particular video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, hype this video, because that will help me in my channel growth, I think. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.